I'm acting fast on Bitcoin, and you should too, my friend. Yes, my friend, you should. Even you act very fast in the coming event, my friend. Which event was we talking about? Make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping nothing. Because if you skip, you're going to miss a lot of information and you're going to blame all yourself. As you see, guys, that the daily candle here, it finished. Today, Bitcoin gave us here another green candle here, as also we told you before. Now, what shall we do? The neckline, as we show you, that one here, we're still in it. Till now, we haven't break it, and that level is very stronger. Because if you look in here, that last high here, you remember that 99k, how long as we stay stuck in it before we reach and we break in that 100k. Look at it in the past here, used to come here and we fall down. Same thing now. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. Guys, please support that video by just smashing that like button which is down and write with it a comment. Tell us your thought about Bitcoin, what you thinking. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also yesterday we enter a long, as you see it here, that the long as we enter in it. What happened to it? It's hitting for us the first take profit. We move stop loss to entry point. Now as we are risk free. If the market going to go more higher, we're going to take extra profit. If the market going to reverse, we are not going to lose nothing, guys. And in our VIP Discord, you're going to get more update about the market. Or if you want to make money with professional people, that the job of them, you can join our VIP Discord. If you are interested, the link is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in our Patreon, because to join our VIP Discord, you need to pass via Patreon. You landed here, you choose either VIP cryptocurrency or elite. You need to read the description to know exactly what you're paying for. You finish the payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin gave us here a green candle, but we haven't broken that very strong level here where we are exactly at 99,500 here. So us we still waiting what's going to happen here, because if you remember, people have been in the market for some time, that 99,500, how long we stay in it here till we break it and we came here above 100k. Same thing now, we're stuck here in that level. Now we need to look close at that level. What's going to happen here? Either it's going to be here like how I showed you before, a head and shoulder like that, because look at it, that the first shoulder, that the head, and that if the market couldn't break that 99,500, is going to give us here another head and shoulder, and we're going to see the market dumping from here. That the first scenario, guys. Second scenario, it might, after the market going to open, we're going to see a candle like that, and we are going to go back to that 108k as me I show you before. You remember, even here we told you guys, we got here a mega fall like that the mega fall. We told you maybe we are going to go back to 112k to touch the top of that mega fall. So all those things we show it to you. Now what we need to wait the confirmation, either head and shoulder or the market to break for us that 99,500k. Another very important thing here in daily, guys, let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? Look at that level as we're talking about. You see it here, that one here, and look where we are. Yesterday we touched the 20 moving average. Today we touch it. Even now we still touching it here in the daily. So till now we need to break that 20 moving average for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. Or another scenario, the Bitcoin from here going to fall down to that 50 moving average again. So you need to focus about the market was going to do here in that level where we are, guys. Another very important thing here in daily, let me show it to you. Is it the one here? We showed it to you before. That divergence downtrend here. We told you for us to know the bulls they came back. We need to come to break that the divergence line there for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. Till now we haven't touched it. So it's left for it more room, and we're going to see what's going to happen here in the coming hours, guys. But the good news till now here in the daily, we still only in a place where is the bulls they controlling. There is no bears here. In daily we still in an uptrend. There is nothing telling us market is going to reverse. So in daily we still in an uptrend. Nothing was changed. So I think I explained everything, guys. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin heat map, and the coming news of today. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, at the Bitcoin ETF. Today the market is closed, but also we came because of yesterday we don't got all the data of all those USA ETFs. Now let's see all of them. They are here. Look at it, guys. You see BlackRock yesterday they sold 1.99k. Fidelity they sold 877 Bitcoin. ARK Investment they sold 790 Bitcoin. The only one who buy is BITB. They bought 89 Bitcoin is minus. The total Bitcoin being sold is at 3.57k. That's a huge number. And exactly that BlackRock. Look at BlackRock, guys. They being sell in those days. Something was changed here. You see it here. The only time they buy, but they don't bought a lot compared to the selling of them. And compared to before everyone used to sell and them they used to buy, but now something changed. That's why I told you need to be careful, guys, exactly in the coming hours and the coming days. So I think I explained everything, and we told you why when the yearly candle finished. Then also we're going to explain it to you more. Now we're going to see liquidity heat map. Here we are, guys, the liquidity heat map. Yesterday what else we told you in the top there used to be a huge number of stops. Market came and liquidated those ones here where there used to be a huge number of stops. Now where is it the biggest place we got huge number of stops? Is it here, guys, for long, as you see it here? Because for short we don't got a huge number here. So guys, you need to be careful. Maybe the market is going to fall down to liquidate all those stops. They are down here, and if you are one of those stops you need to take some of actions. So I think I explained everything based on liquidity heat map. The market is going to fall down. It might is going to kick another cake here to liquidate those ones here, then after to fall down. Even though one is possible, guys, but all those closest stops here, all of them they are going to be liquidated. That's the most important thing, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see it coming news of today. So let's go in there. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it, all of them they still in holiday or Boxing Day. As you see it here, Boxing Day in UK, Boxing Day in Australia. But USA, guys, they are not on holiday today. USA, they got initial jobless claim. As you see it, is going to come at 1:30 GMT time. The only countries who got holiday today is it UK, Germany, and Australia. Those ones they are in holiday. So you need to be careful about USA market when it's going to open. Exactly those 8F, what they are going to do. Over here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day, guys, here. What they telling us till now. Look at it here. Nasdaq still green because the market's being closed, so we don't need to focus about the market there. The only thing also we came here because of that one here, the VIX. The VIX is very close to the top, guys. That's what also we told you need to be careful at the coming hours, and also we told you the yearly candle is going to close, so you need to be careful how is the market going to react to those things. I think I explained everything to you guys here. Now let's going to see it Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin in 12 hours, as you see it here, the 20 moving average crossed below the 50 moving average here, and also we touch here the 50 and the 20 moving average in that level, and it show here like there is a war here, and that the neckline of the double bottom here. Till now we haven't break it double bottom as we show you in yesterday video, and we still have even here in 12 hours a divergence, guys. What shall we do about all those things me I'm talking about here. Same thing, we still have here that level down here. If we fall down and we break it, we are going to fall down to 80k. That number one scenario. Second scenario, if we break in the neckline of the double bottom here, we are going to go back to 108k. Also, we're talking about that a lot. As me I told you, based on some analysis we make, the Bitcoin is going to finish that December above 97k, and that's how it look like now. Also, we are 99k, 98k, so everything's still looking the same. Now let's see the levels. You need to look close at them here in 12 hours. Levels you need to look close at them here in 12 hours. That 102 603, that one down here 95 486, and that one down here 90 808, and you can add even that one here 108 570. So those ones the levels you need to look close at them all that coming days, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum, after it touched for us that very stronger supply and demand zone, it tried to bounce here, but that level where we are, it's still very stronger level if you're looking at it. And if you came like that from that low here, forget about where we are now, look at it from that low here like that. What you seeing, guys? See here first, second, when we break it here, we came back to it, and now we are in it. So what that telling you? It used to be here support, as you see it. When the support getting broke, how it become a resistance. Now what shall we do here in 4 hours in the Ethereum? Same thing, that double bottom here, that one, if the market came and breaking the neckline here, we are going to go back to 4,000. That number one scenario for short, we show it to you, but it's okay to repeat all those things. For short, we told you like that, guys. You see it like that and like that, and you waiting if that pin out here, because that one here is a pin out, guys. You see it, that one here is a pin out here. If the market break it above here, we are going to go back to 4,000. If the market fall down and break it down here, we are going to fall down below the 3,000, guys, in the Ethereum. I think I explained everything. If you want exactly when us we enter, where we put in stop loss, if you want exactly to make money, yes my friend, if you want to make money day trading the cryptocurrency, exactly the Bitcoin, you are in the right place. You can join our VIP Discord. You're going to get very highly accurate signals. They're reaching till 85% winning rate. So if you are interested, you can join us. The link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. If you don't want, only by our analysis, you're going to make money, but you need to do some work by yourself. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here. Based on our indicator, guys, we're still here in that middle where there is no trading there. Because if you're looking with me here, look at it where we are here in the middle. That means that level there is no trading, and even the market there is no trading here. Market very flat, and that's normal because it's been holiday. Now let's wait when we're going to touch that divergence downtrend, as we show it to you before, that white one here, how the market going to react to it here in the chart. If we break it and the Ethereum came back the momentum and we're going to see it pumping again, that's very good news. If we touch it and the Ethereum fall down again, that's another story, guys. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here's the Bitcoin, that's the level where we bounce in. And now look at that. If you came to that peak here and you draw in there like that, a square like that, guys, what you seeing? Look at it here, down, that one down, and that one in the top. We touch a very stronger level like how we touch it down here. Now there is one of two. Either we're going to break it and we're going to go back to 108k, and for the market or for Bitcoin to break that level of 99,500, it's need the momentum. Today there is no momentum, always when USA stock exchange open. That's another story. Second scenario, we're going to fall down again to down here, and I'll show you even that one. I told you maybe the Bitcoin to give you here a triple bottom like that. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So you need to be focused on what's going to happen here in the coming hours, because if you're looking with me here in 4 hours, also we show you yesterday, we got here a double bottom like that, very clear. Actually it was in the top line of the video. Did we break in the neckline of it? No, my friend, we haven't break it. So what is it? The second scenario here in Bitcoin. Second scenario, the Bitcoin to give you here a flag like that, guys. You see it? And the Bitcoin to fall down to break the lower of it here. And that one is going to be a continuation pattern indicating the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. Now, where you need to focus here in 4 hours. In 4 hours, you need to focus here at that 99,400 or 99,500 level with the Bitcoin, or if a 4-hour candle here close like that. Because if you see in here that 99,500 level, if a 4-hour candle do like that and close above it, we're going to go back to 108k. That number one scenario. Second thing, what is it? You came to that low here, 92,167, and you look at that, what the Bitcoin going to do here. If the Bitcoin fall down from here and breaking down here, we're going to fall down more than that, guys, and we're going to fall down below than 80k. Another very important thing here in 4 hours, let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? We showed it to you before, but it's okay. Look at it here. We came, yes, today we're breaking the 200 moving average here, but now we're bouncing down from the 100 moving average, guys. The 50 moving average, it crossed below than the 200 moving average, guys, here. Now what we need to do, we need to see if we're going to break the 200 down. It's going to be very bad for Bitcoin. Second scenario, we're going to break that 100 here, or 100 moving average I'm talking about, and we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping again. So I think I explained everything to you guys here. There is nothing not explained. If you haven't understand anything, you can go down to the comment section and write there a comment, and we're going to explain more. Now let's going to see our indicator. We're saying today here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Our indicator, guys, same thing like the Ethereum. The only thing, the one here in Bitcoin, he entered to the place where is the bulls they controlling. That man also official we are in a bull market, but that the second day, and also we are in the same place. That means there is no momentum, and that's normal because today the market is being closed. So also we still stuck here in that level here. Now we need to look at that divergence downtrend when we're going to touch it, and we're going to touch it, guys. We're going to touch it either today, either tomorrow, either that week, next week. We're going to touch the divergence downtrend here. We need to see what the market or how the Bitcoin going to react here in the chart when we're touching the divergence downtrend. If we break it, that's more long, and we're going to give us new highs above that 108k. If not, we're going to see the Bitcoin from here dumping again. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, we show you yesterday here, like a small double top here or M, but he couldn't break the neckline here. So people there with me, also we still holding our long. We enter from here, it's hitting for us the first take profit. We still holding, we move stop loss here to entry point. Now also we are risk free. Now what you need to look at here in 30 minutes, that uptrend, that number one scenario, if the Bitcoin going to break it, how we started from that low here, and the one here, that number one scenario, guys, what the Bitcoin going to do there. Second thing is it the one here, because if you're looking with me here, you got here like a small peanut, guys. You see here, we got a small peanut, guys. The one here, if the Bitcoin break it above here, more long, if the Bitcoin fall down and breaking down here, we are going to fall down again to 92k. And there is something very important here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Let me show it to you. Number one is it the one here at the extreme overbought area, so there is nothing to do about that one. Second thing is it that one. We got a divergence, guys. You see the divergence here? We got a very clear divergence here. You see it here now? Like that and like that, guys. We got a divergence. Should we enter a short based on a divergence? Me personally, I'm not going to enter a short based on a divergence unless the Bitcoin fall down and breaking for me the downtrend here, because it might also be doing that one here and we just touching here that uptrend here, then after that we're going to bounce again. So for me to enter a short, we need that uptrend here to be broke for us to catch a short. Second most important thing, what is it? That indicator of us to enter to the place where is the bears they controlling, because at this time, look at it, he fell down, he touched that wall, fall down, he touched that wall, but he like to stay in a place where is the bulls they control, and today we've been all the whole day sideways here. Look at it here, because there is no volume, guys. So you need to be careful, my friend. If you want to be in the safe side, I will repeat it again. If you want to be in the safe side and you want to make money from that market, no matter what is the condition of it, going above, going down, sideways, also we're making money, you can join our VIP Discord where we're giving there daily signals. If you are interested, the link is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. So I think I explained everything, guys. So that's it for that video, and please, guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash the like button, to write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.